we are gonna do hyperlink. So what is hyperlink? It's like a data or another page. Data which means you can access by clicking on tapping on it, like it's kind of look like the link is like www.com. It starts with https. So that's it. So to create a hyperlink we need a tag. So let's go to what we have created, index.html. So over here, but let's open this also in a with the live server. And yes, and you hit window plus right, it will come over here, or you can also do with the manually. And let's set it little bit, okay, like this. And I also want this to, yeah, and let's take a little bit more over here. So this is good, right? And make it a little short. Yeah. So now here what can we do is, hey buddy, I want you to fit with this, right? Okay. So we have to create this a tag to using a hyperlink. So it's called anchor tag. So let's just use that. A buddy, open it. Yeah. A, we write A, it's coming over here, and we just press enter, we got A tag. Now between this A tag we want to write something like Google, okay, do goodlu goodle Google, we have to write Google, okay, takes you Google, okay, just G capital Google. Notice like it's have space, you can remove the space too, you can keep the space as you like, free it up to you, okay. When I click this, like it should like goes me to Google page, right? But it's not going to the Google page. So what to do, we have to give something, attribute. This is an attribute which is href attribute. We have to type like this, but it's auto come, so that's the very good feature of VS Code. Here we will write the Google link. If you don't know the Google link, we will just say Google, and it will open up. And now if you click over here, you might get the Google link, or okay, if you click over here and copy. But let's, for the simplicity, just write the link, okay. HTTPS, every link start with HTTPS, which is hypertext transfer protocols, and secure, this as is added as a secure. Now forward slash two times www world wide web dot google dot com. That's how you search in the keypad phone. I used to search like this in a keypad phone, not like, but many people. I got that touch one, okay. So now if I click this, it takes me to the Google page. So you can come back by this, okay. So whenever I click this, I goes to the Google page, and I can use this Google page as Spider-Man brand new day trailer, and I can went to and watch some Spider-Man. But let's focus on the topic. So when I click this, I will go to the Google page. But you notice when I click this, I leave my home page and then go to the Google page. For not happening that, what we can do, we can add an attribute like href attribute. There is another attribute called target. It's called, you just write target and you always like getting out the suggestion target. And what you say here, just underscore, and see it's coming, so underscore blank you say. And now when you press this thing, okay, Google link, when you click or tap this, it will open in a new tab here, okay. So here, let's see, it's open in a new tab, but before it was opening here in this current page, not in the side new tab. So that's the use of the target, okay. And like, if did you have seen someone like in the, what happens in the previous when you click, right? Suppose this is says just click me, okay? But as a reader, you don't you now you know that it's take you to the Google. But can you really tell me if you are using first time where does it will take you, right? So what we can do, we can use one more attribute which is called title. What it does, it's basically shows you, takes you to Google, takes to Google, takes to Google, okay? And when I just let it, you can see our messages popping up, takes to Google, because we have written read right right over here this text. That's why you can change this text, just takes Google, and it just now takes to Google. Hey, don't takes to Google, yeah, takes Google, okay? Now we are done with this. Anything, just let me check if I want to. Okay, so this link is actually called an absolute link. Whatever you, absolute link is basically other links, not your links, right? Other links, not your links means like you're taking someone else link. This is www.com is not your link, okay? So now let's do one relative links, okay? So we have this lyrics.html. So we will use a another a tag and hit enter, and here we will write song jingle bell lyrics or lyrics, ly- lyrics, okay, lyrics. I think it's, yeah, it's suggesting me, but it's that's suggesting me the correction of the alphabet type of thing. But here we have to write the relative URL or link URL, both same thing, okay? So you can see we got song lyrics, but when I click or tap this, it is not opening this page for me, okay? So let's just write in the href attribute, okay? What we are gonna write, we are not gonna write like this http, but what we're gonna write like this lyrics, and you can see it suggested, we just name as it is. Oh, it's lyric, okay? Let me rename this lyrics, okay? And here we can say lyric, okay? And now when I click this lyrics, it will open this in a current page, right? And it's open the jingle bell lyrics, okay? And you can see it's like in a one line, and to break line we use br tag and just hit enter between them like a banana, and you got. And if you need more space, you just hit br again and you will get a little space. So, and if you want this to open in a new tab, what you're gonna do, you just say target and hit enter and say hit underscore blank. Yes, I want to open in a new tab. So click that, and I really love when I click this and it's open in a new tab. So I really love that, doing that. So that's what target underscore blank do. If you have noticed a website, so to send someone like a email, like for the website email, like someone who have hosted the email, so what you can do is take the a tag, okay, a, and hit enter, you will get a tag. Here you write email me, okay, and you will get this because it's getting in a single line. So we will use, because it's getting a single line, we will use br tag to move it to the next step one more time. So let's get extra step, and if I click, nothing happens because we have not given hyperlink reference and href attribute the link. So let's give the mail id to send. So we'll say mail to and colon, and here we will say GT multiverse as whatever the email you want to use at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and when you click this now, okay, it's will actually, what it's gonna do is like it's opening the mailbox for you. It may be open the outbox or outlook more specific, or gmail or something. Okay, and that's far it gonna take you. Okay, okay, then now let's do some practice with our lyrics HTML. Okay, so here we have this. Okay, let me, hey, one of the cool way, okay, found the URL of your original song which you have, which of you like. Okay, I found this video, so let me just copy the link and you get the idea, right? What we are doing, we just say jingle bell video. Okay, and let's open this live server. I'm open the index.html homepage and click the song lyrics. It's open in a new tab. Why? Because we have used target underscore blank attribute, okay, in the value underscore blank and target the attribute. That's why. And now when I will click this jingle bell video, right, which is in the lyrics.html, here it will not open. Why? Can you tell me why it will not open? Why it will not open? Can you tell me why it's not? Yes, because we have not given the URL. Once we have given the URL, and based on that, if you want to open this in a new tab or over here only, then you don't have to do anything. But if you want to open in a new tab, then we have to do target, hit enter, and press again underscore blank, say, and when you press this jingle video, it will open to the new tab. Okay, and it will open the YouTube page. Okay, so yes, okay, it's open and it will play the song, video song. Okay, so that's it. And one of the thing, whatever the video I'm making, his full credit to Bro Code. You can watch his video. Okay, let me show you. Very good. Oh, I'm searching this, and yeah, so let me show you his channel, Bro Code. Okay, HTML and CSS playlist. Okay, so this is the playlist, this is this and this, basically same thing. So you can watch this. Okay, I'm also watching this same, I'm also learning with you, so that's why. So he explained this topic very short, like you can see like how he like explained this hyperlink in 4 minutes, where I have taken many time. But you got the idea. You can watch this playlist if you love. Okay, but that's what I want to say, that I'm watching this playlist and learning. So thanks for watching, and we will meet in the next video.